Oh hey, what is going on guys? It's John Phillipson here. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a lot of money online really easily. So, a lot of you have been asking me, how did I buy so many devices recently? So, I figured I'd make this video for you. So, let me just show you how much money I've earned in the last week or so. A little over $1,000. So, let's get started. What you're going to do is go on a site called mobiletweaks.info. I'm going to have the link down below for you guys, so it's going to be easier for you. So basically, the way this works is you download free mobile applications, and in exchange, you'll get points, which you can redeem for rewards. So as you can see, 1 point is worth $8. So let's take one of the offers here. Lords Mobile will pay you $43 to download the application and run it for 30 seconds. So it's really easy money, guys. There's many other offers, like there's one paying over $1,000, so I highly recommend you do that one. But yeah guys, I really wanted to share this with you. Comment down below if you have any questions. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Peace.